Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today's review is all about a book that has transformed the way millions of people think about success, learning, and personal growth. We're talking about Mindset, The New Psychology of Success by Dr. Carol S. Dweck. If you're looking for a book that can shift your entire approach to challenges, achievement, and even relationships, stick around, because this one is a game changer. At the heart of Mindset lies one powerful idea. The way you think about your abilities shapes your entire life. Carol Dweck, a renowned psychologist and Stanford professor, introduces us to two profoundly different ways people view their potential, the fixed mindset and the growth mindset. And once you see the difference, you can't unsee it. This simple but revolutionary concept has the power to reshape how we learn, lead, parent, and pursue our dreams. Dweck explains that people with a fixed mindset believe their intelligence, talents, and character are static. They're born with a certain amount, and that's it. They often avoid challenges, give up easily, and see failure as proof they're not good enough. On the flip side, people with a growth mindset believe abilities can be developed through dedication, learning, and effort. They embrace challenges, persist in the face of setbacks, and view failure not as defeat, but as opportunity. And the beauty of it all, you can change your mindset. The growth mindset in action. What makes this book so compelling is how relatable and universal its message is. Whether you're a student, a teacher, a parent, a CEO, an athlete, or just someone looking to live better, a growth mindset can elevate your life. Here's how the growth mindset shows up in different areas. Education. Students who believe they can grow their abilities study more effectively, enjoy learning, and bounce back from failure. Business. Companies that encourage learning and development over rigid performance see more innovation and collaboration. Relationships. When partners believe they can grow together and learn from conflict, their connection deepens. Sports and performance. Athletes who focus on learning and effort over innate talent often outperform those who believe they're simply gifted. Dweck brings all of this to life with real-world stories, from struggling students to elite performers, making the book not just informative, but deeply inspiring. What's incredible about Mindset is that it's not just theory. Dweck offers practical tools to help you shift from a fixed to a growth mindset. You learn how to recognize fixed mindset triggers, reframe failure as feedback, celebrate effort and persistence, focus on process over results, encourage a growth mindset in others, especially kids and teams. And it's all presented in a way that's easy to understand, apply, and remember. Memorable quotes and moments. Here are a few standout moments that really encapsulate the book's wisdom. Becoming is better than being. In a fixed mindset, everything is about the outcome. If you fail, or if you're not the best, it's all been wasted. In a growth mindset, it's not about winning or losing, it's about learning and getting better. These quotes aren't just motivational. They're reminders that the journey matters more than the destination. One of the most beautiful things about Mindset is its wide reach. Whether you're a parent wanting to raise confident, curious children, a leader aiming to build a resilient team, a creative pursuing your passions, or simply someone who wants to grow, this book meets you where you are and shows you how to evolve. It invites us to stop saying, "I'm not good at this," and start asking, "How can I get better at this?" Final thoughts. Mindset is more than a book. It's a mirror and a map. It shows us how our beliefs shape our actions, and it gives us the tools to change those beliefs for the better. It's empowering, insightful, and filled with the kind of wisdom that sticks with you long after you've closed the last page. So if you've ever struggled with self-doubt, feared failure, or felt stuck, Mindset is your permission slip to grow. It teaches us that we are not defined by our talent, our past, or our mistakes, but by our willingness to learn, evolve, and keep going. So what's something you've been telling yourself you're just not good at? Let's reframe it. Drop it in the comments and tell us how you plan to grow. And if you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more inspiring book reviews. Thanks for watching. And remember, it's not about being perfect. It's about getting better, one mindset shift at a time.